Hello student, welcome in video of science. Student, today we are going to start our new lesson, changes and reactions. In this sixth lesson, we will learn about the changes in nature, reversible and irreversible changes, physical and chemical changes, conditions required for chemical changes, and changes cause interactions. These are the main points of today's our lesson. Now let's start our today's lessons new points. Change in the nature. We find the changes occurring around us all the times, and the changes that we can across very often and are change of day to night, change of weather, freezing of water into ice, formation of fog in winter, rusting of iron, growth of plants from a small seed, etc. If you observe the given example carefully, we will find that some changes are occurring on their own while some others need our help to take place. मीन्स कोई चीज़ों में हमारी हेल्प लगती है तो कोई चीज़ अपने आप नेचुरली हो जाती है. Every changes occur due to the some reasons like changes in weather occur because of the heat of the sun, and rusting of iron occurs because of moisture present in the atmosphere. These reasons are noticed in the form of changes in size, shape, color, position and states. You must have noticed how a burning candle gradually gets shorter and shorter from the shape of the balloon change when you squeeze it. Can you give a few more examples where the changes can be noticed? Yes. Can you give a few more examples where the change can be noticed? Yes, some examples. Formation of ice, shortening of pencil, heating of iron at high temperature, a germination of seed, day change into night, cooking of food, burning of fuels, wood, coal. These are the more changes. You will notice that most of the changes occur on their own, खुद होते रहते हैं, and some changes they need our help. Okay. Have you ever realized that change are also take place inside our body? Ask your mothers to show you the photographs. When you are a baby, compare yourself from the stage and the present. Are you the same? No. What difference can be noticed? Some changes in your height. Okay. So these are also the changes. And what is the reason behind these changes? Similarly, a new plant grows from the small seed. Can you go back to your baby stage, or can a plant be changed to its sibling stage? No. Neither you narrow plant can change back to its previous stage, and such a change is not a reversible. आप जैसे छोटे थे फिर से बड़े हो गए, फिर से आप छोटे नहीं बन सकते. जैसे कि प्लांट जब सीड है था, सीड कन्वर्ट इनटू प्लांट्स, फिर से हम प्लांट को सीड में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते. दैट इज अ नॉट अ रिवर्सिबल चेंज, इट इज अ इरिवर्सिबल चेंज. कुछ चेंजेस ऐसे होते हैं कि जिसको हम रिवाइज कर सकते हैं, और सम चेंजेस दैट इज नॉट रिवाइज नहीं होते, इट इज कॉल्ड इरिवर्सिबल चेंजेस. ओके, तो some example of reversible and irreversible changes. Here the activity 1. Activity 1. Take a small sheet of paper and make a boat out of it. You have changed the paper into a boat. Can you make a something else from this paper? Yes. Unfold the paper and try to make an aeroplane. In this way, you have to first change the boat into a sheet of paper, which was then turned into an aeroplane. Is it possible to get back the sheet of paper again? Yes. Unfold the aeroplane to get the sheet of paper. Means आपने उसको पेपर को वही रखा rectangular shape, then you make a boat from it, and then you also make a paper as it is. उसको आपने जैसे कि वैसा बनाया, फिर से उसको आपने एरोप्लेन बनाया. मीन्स आपने क्या किया, उसका कोई भी उसको सिर्फ आपने शेप चेंज किया, उसको कहीं कटिंग नहीं की, कुछ नहीं किया. ओके, तो दैट्स व्हाई दैट इज अ रिवर्सिबल चेंज. आप वही पेपर फिर से आप पेपर बोर्ड बनने के बाद उस पेपर को आप रेक्टेंगुलर शेप बना सकते हो. आफ्टर मेकिंग द एरोप्लेन उसको फिर से आप रेक्टेंगुलर शेप में बना सकते हो. दैट इज अ रिवर्सिबल चेंज. After performing the activity, we find that some changes can be reversed. That means there is a possibility to change the new object back into its original form. Such changes are called reversible changes. Means जैसे कि हमने एक न्यू ऑब्जेक्ट बना दिया ना, पेपर से हमने क्या बनाया था, बोर्ड बना दी. फिर से हमने उसको बोर्ड से हमने उसको रेक्टेंगुलर शेप पेपर बना दिया, उससे फिर हमने और एक एरोप्लेन बना दिया. मीन्स इट इज पॉसिबिलिटी टू चेंज द न्यू ऑब्जेक्ट एंड बैक टू इट्स ओरिजिनल फॉर्म. एक हमने न्यू ऑब्जेक्ट बना, इसमें जो पॉसिबिलिटी रहती है कि हम एक न्यू ऑब्जेक्ट बनाएं और फिर से उसको ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में लेके आए. मीन्स न्यू ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा बना था एरोप्लेन, देन हमने उसको फिर से अपने ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में रेक्टेंगुलर शेप पेपर में लेके आए. दैट इज अ रिवर्सिबल चेंज. लेट्स सम एग्जांपल फ्रॉम इट. हमने टेक अ रबर बॉल एंड स्क्वीज इट. उसको आपको थोड़ा दबा के उसको शेप उसका चेंज करना है. तो आप क्या दिखेंगे, नोटिस क्या है, यू मस्ट हैव टू नोटिस सून गेन इट्स ओरिजिनल शेप. उसकी जो ओरिजिनल शेप होती है वो थोड़ी सी आपको दिखती बड़ा हो गया. तो अभी स्टॉप स्क्वीजिंग इन इट एंड आप क्या होगा, ओरिजिनल शेप में वो आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट है कि व्हेन द आइस क्यूब आर केप्ट आउटसाइड द फ्रीजर दे मेल्ट एंड टर्न इनटू वाटर. मीन्स उनका जो टेम्परेचर था इंक्रीज हो गया, बाहर आए, हमने फ्रीज के बाहर निकाला. दैट्स वाई इट इज स्टेट जो होती है उसकी आइस से वो वाटर बन गया. मीन्स सॉलिड से वो लिक्विड फॉर्म में आ गया. ओनली उसकी जो स्टेट थी, मैटर की स्टेट चेंज हो गई. तो हमने फिर से उसको क्या किया, देन इफ यू कीप दिस वाटर इन फ्रीजर इट्स चेंज बैक टू इट्स ओरिजिनल फॉर्म। फिर हमने उस वही वाटर को क्या किया, इन द कीप इन टू द फ्रीजर एंड व्हाट विल हैपन, क्या होगा उसका, तो इट्स चेंज बैक टू द ओरिजिनल फॉर्म, वो फिर से आइस बन जाए। ओके, लाइक दिस वूलन yarn टू स्वेटर, melting of wax, stretching of rubber are some more example of reversible changes। कि हमने जैसे स्वेटर बनाया फिर से हम उसको स्वेटर को फिर से ऊल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। In many reversible changes, the internal structure of the substance of which it is made does not change। क्या होगा, उसका जो इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर होगा मीन मटेरियल का जिससे वो मॉलिक्यूल बना है, दैट्स मॉलिक्यूलर स्ट्रक्चर्स वैसे की वैसे रह जाता है, सिर्फ उसका स्टेजेस उसकी जो स्टेट्स रहती है वो चेंज होती है। नाउ थिंक अबाउट सम मोर चेंजेस in erasers or a pencil become smaller in size with repeated use. Paper change into small bits on a tearing and rice grain change into rice on cooking. Can you get back the material in use, its original form? No. These are some changes that cannot be reversed into their original form. Such changes are called irreversible changes, and in such a types of change a new substance is formed due to the change in the molecules। पहले हमने क्या देखा था कि जिसके मॉलिक्यूल में कोई चेंजेस नहीं होती, जैसे कि हम आइस है उसका भी मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्मूला H2O है, देन वाटर का भी H2 है, तो मीन्स मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्मूला इंटरनल जो फॉर्मूला है उसमें चेंजेस नहीं होती, तो दैट इज अ रिवर्सिबल चेंज। बट हियर सम एग्जाम्पल्स, जैसे कि राइस कन्वर्ट इनटू, आफ्टर द कुकिंग राइस चेंज होता है, ग्रेन जो ग्रेन्स थे तो राइस के, तो वो आफ्टर उसको कुकिंग के बाद अलग बन जाते हैं। ओके, तो जैसे टीयरिंग ऑफ पेपर्स, पेपर के हमने स्मॉल स्मॉल बीट्स ऑफ पेपर कर दिए तो फिर से वो पेपर नहीं बन सकता। देन पेंसिल जो स्मॉल होती है आफ्टर द यूज, आप करते हो यूज होने के बाद वो छोटी छोटी होती जाती है, लेकिन हम फिर छोटी से हम पूरी पेंसिल नहीं बना सकते, है ना, हमको न्यू ही पेंसिल खरीदनी पड़ती है। दैट इज अ इरिवर्सिबल चेंजेस, दिस इज इरिवर्सिबल चेंजेस। And there are some changes that cannot be reversed into their original form. Such changes are called irreversible changes. And see, in such types of changes, a new substance is formed due to the change in the molecule of which the substance is made. And in some cases, the internal structure also change. For example, the internal structure of the wheat flour is completely changed into turn into dough। अगर उसका हमने आटा, इसके फ्लोर से हम जब आटा उसको गूंथते हैं वाटर उसमें मिक्स करके तो डो बनता है, तो उसकी वजह से वो इंटरनल उसका जो चेंजेस आ जाते हैं, स्ट्रक्चर में चेंजेस आते हैं। सम चेंजेस हियर, चेंज ऑफ मिल्क इनटू कर्ड, irreversible change, repenning of fruits, it reversible change, water vapors into water, it reversible change, dry soil to wet soil, हम उसको ड्राई सॉइल को वेट बना सकते, वेट को ड्राई बना सकते, मीन्स रिवर्सिबल चेंज। चपाती फ्रॉम डो, इरिवर्सिबल चेंज, कोल्ड कॉफी टू हॉट कॉफी, reversible change, growth of a plant, irreversible change। Okay, so these are the some example of
reversible and irreversible changes. In our day-to-day life, we come across different changes. For example, melting of ice, formation of curd from milk, dissolving salt in water, breaking of glass, growth of plant, ripening of fruits, blowing of air in balloon, etc. Basically, a change means the act which brings difference in the form of material or thing. The differences takes place by themselves or these are bring out by living organism. Some of the changes can be reversed, that is, the changes can be undone. Such changes are called reversible changes. For example, we can convert water back into ice by keeping it in refrigerator. We can separate the salt and water by evaporation. If we release air from the balloon, then it regains its shape. These are all reversible changes. There are other changes which cannot be reversed. That is, changes are permanent and cannot be undone. Such changes are called irreversible changes. For example, formation of curd from milk, breaking of glass, growth of plant, reduction in height of lighted candle, etc. Such changes are irreversible changes. Identify the reversible and irreversible changes from the given examples. Out of the given examples, reversible changes are emptying water from a bottle into mug, expansion of balloon and opening of door. The irreversible changes are burning of matchstick, rusting of iron and bud to flower. So I hope you have understood all the concepts in this video very well. Thanks for watching this video.
Next topic is physical and chemical changes. Means first are reversible and irreversible changes. Okay. Next point is physical and chemical changes. Matter undergoes certain change as a result of application of energy. Glaciers melt in summer and rivers freeze in winter. Water from the sea evaporate to form water vapors, which then turn into clouds. Clouds are condensed to form rain. A candle upon burning gives light, heat and carbon dioxide and ash. If these examples are studied carefully, you will find that in some changes a new substance is formed, whereas in others no new substance is formed. On the basis of information of a new substance, change can be categorized into two types. One is physical change and the other is chemical change. Okay. तो for this examples है कि glacier melt होता है in the summer, river freeze in the winter. Because of these are the changes in weather changes. Okay. So these are the, some are the physical change and some are the chemical change. First, we are going to start our physical change. A physical change is one in which the shape, size, appearance and states of substance may alter but the chemical compositions remain the same. Means क्या क्या change होगा physical change? Shape, size, appearance and the states. Here shape change होगा means bits of paper. तो जो रेक्टेंगुलर शेप पेपर है उसमें हमने स्मॉल स्मॉल बिट्स ऑफ पेपर बना दिए. ओनली शेप इज द चेंज, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ फिजिकल चेंज. साइज, समटाइम व्हेन वी प्रेस सम रबर, दैट टाइम इट्स शेप चेंज, बट It's a chemical formula of rubber is remain constant. That's why it a physical change. Then appearance. Some are shining, some are dull, different colors. That is a material. If the material is the same, all of this, that is a physical change. States means some example of states जैसे कि melting of ice, solid state convert into liquid state, that is a physical change. Okay, in the physical change only shape, size and appearance and the states remaining, it's a change, but the chemical compositions remain the same. It is called a no new substance is formed. It is usually temperature change, temporary change होता है, and which is a reversible also. Sometime reversible, sometime ही हो सकता है reversible. Okay, तो means अगर हमने जैसे कि हमने एरोप्लेन बना दिया पेपर से तो रिवर्सिबल, एंड इट इज फिजिकल ऑल्सो. बट हमने पेपर से उसको बिट्स ऑफ पेपर उसके छोटे छोटे टुकड़े कर दिए तो दैट इज फिजिकल चेंज. ओके, मीन दोनों में हमने फिजिकल चेंज होगा. टीयरिंग a paper is an example of physical change which is irreversible, and here a no new substance is formed. Let's study the examples given below. मैं क्या क्या examples हैं यहाँ पे? Dissolving sugar in the water. When sugar is dissolved in water, it appears completely and the solutions obtain us evenly sweet. If we heat these solutions, the sugar can be recovered in the crystalline form. Here, no new substance is formed, and thus it is a physical change. Second point, 3 states of water. Water can be converted into 3 solid, ice on cooling, then in liquid, and finally into gaseous on heating. Water in any states can be converted into its previous states by using the methods. Here ice and water vapors are not the new substance form. Water molecule in all the 3 states are the same, which means in all states, 3 states, the chemical composition of water is not altered. No new substance is formed. Such a change is called physical change. Evaporation, condensation, expansion, heating, contractions, uncooling, melting and freezing, some of the most important physical changes. ये सब क्या है? Physical.
Introduction. Ria is fond of ice cream. She takes out the ice cream from the deep freezer of the refrigerator. But to her surprise, ice cream is floating like liquid. Her mother says that there was an interruption to the power supply for 5 hours. So the ice cream melted. Now can Ria recover the ice cream in original solid form? The answer is yes. Let us know how. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define change, explain physical changes, give examples of physical changes. We observe many changes. Some examples of changes in our daily life are cooking of food, rusting of iron, melting of ice. Change is a process in which the properties like state, color, shape, size, chemical composition and structure of a substance is altered. Types of changes. Changes are of two types: physical change and chemical change. In this module, you will study the physical changes. When there is a change in properties such as shape, size, color, and state of a substance, it is called physical change. Example of physical change are melting of ice, vaporization of water, dissolution of sugar or salt in water. Take a piece of paper. Fold it to make a paper aeroplane. There is a change in its size, but we can unfold this piece of paper back to its original size shape. So, it is a reversible change. Also, in this process, chemical composition of the paper remains same. Children, on heating, ice changes into water. When this water is heated to 100 degrees Celsius, it changes to vapors. These vapors on cooling change to water. And when this water is cooled up to 0 degrees Celsius, it converts to ice. So, in the whole process, water changes only the state and chemical composition of water remains same. Let us take crystals of cobalt chloride, which are pink in color. On heating, these crystals change to blue. When some drops of water are poured on blue crystals, they regain their pink color. Children, cut a piece of cloth in 4 square pieces. Now compare the size of one piece of cloth with original piece of cloth. But the properties of the cloth remain same. So this is a physical change. Children, as you know, salt can be obtained by the evaporation of seawater. But the salt obtained in this manner is not pure. Pure crystals of salt can be obtained by crystallization. To prepare pure crystals of copper sulfate, take about 100 milliliter water in a beaker. Acidify the water with few drops of dilute sulfuric acid. Now heat the water. When it starts boiling, add copper sulfate powder slowly with continuous stirring till a saturated solution is obtained. Filter the solution. Allow it to cool. After some time, you will see blue-colored shining crystals of copper sulfate in the solution. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. The process in which there is a change in state, color, shape, size, chemical composition and structure of a substance is called change. A change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties only is called physical change. Physical change is temporary and reversible. Chemical composition of substances remains the same in this change. The process of obtaining pure compound from its solution is called crystallization.